Hello viewers. Are you tired of maintaining your payment collection book manually? And would you like to streamline your cash flow? You have come to the right place. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to leverage your smartphone's capability to streamline your payment collections. Whether you are a small business owner, a freelancer, or anyone involved in collecting payments, this information is essential for your success. But before we begin, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you do not miss out the future updates. Let's begin.
Open a blank Excel workbook and create two sheets, receipts and sales. Make a table in both the sheets with the following headers. Enter some examples so we can display on the app. Save the file on desktop as collection book. Upload collection book file to your Google Drive. Open AppSheet.com in another tab. Name your app as collection book. Select the source file as collection book. Add both the sheets table in App from Tables tab. Editing the columns for different views and display of data in the app. Follow the step as shown. Type formula as shown. Type the formula in the Validate tab as shown. Type in Validate tab as formula shown. Type cash and bank in values tab. Type the formula in Initial Value tab as shown. Now we will edit the columns of sales table. Follow the step as shown. Type the formula in initial value tab as given. Create a virtual column received amount with the app formula as given. Create a virtual column outstanding due with the app formula as given. Create a virtual column received ledger with the app formula as given. Note, key column should be bill number in sales table. Both the tables are designed now. We will save the app and move to the next step. Go to the slice table. Here we create a slice with the name sales out. Row filter will be as given. We will filter out those customers whose outstanding is 0. Moving to the third step, where we will design and set our views to display the data on the app. Create a new view as collection book and follow the steps. Create a second new view as received and follow the steps. Create new format rules for both the table. Decide the header column and column order in the app. Save the app. Now going for the fourth step, that is sharing the app with other people. Click on share button and type the Gmail of the person to whom you want to share the app. Also define the role of the app user. In the free version, you can share up to 10 people.